Ever wondered how your devices communicate with each other? How does a website load on your screen when you click on a link? Or how an email finds its way to its recipient? These are all made possible by networking. In its simplest form, networking is the process of connecting computers and other devices to share resources and information. It's like creating digital highways for data to travel from one point to another, be it within a small office or across continents. At the heart of a network are its components. Devices such as computers, smartphones, servers, routers, all interconnected. These connections can be wired or wireless, and they form the intricate web that is a network. When we talk about networking, terms like LAN, WAN, and the internet often come up. A local area network, or LAN, is a network that covers a small geographical area, like your home or office. On the other hand, a wide area network, or WAN, covers a larger area, often connecting multiple LANs. The internet, as we all know, is the global network connecting millions of devices worldwide. Communication within a network happens through the exchange of data packets. These are small packages of information that travel from one device to another. This communication is crucial for sharing files, accessing websites, and more. To ensure these data packets reach their destination, we have routers. These devices act as traffic directors, guiding data between devices and networks. They determine the most efficient path for data to travel, ensuring that your email or website request reaches its destination. And there you have it, a brief overview of networking basics. We've only scratched the surface, but hopefully this gives you a clearer understanding of how our devices communicate and share information. Networking is a vast field with many more concepts and technologies to explore. If you're curious to learn more about specific networking topics, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, happy networking.